The basics of wood-look ceramic tile. Florum USA's white birch tile, from its urban wood collection, is a good springboard to start talking about tile that looks like wood, or not. Florum USA, formerly American Florum, is the U.S. component of the Italian company Florum Group. The most significant thing about this flooring is that it is installed in a kitchen, which is traditionally not a wood-friendly place. Wood does provide a softer surface for standing, but with ceramic tile, you just need to add an anti-fatigue gel mat and you are ready to go. Here's another striking tile from the Florum USA Urban Wood Collection. Shades of floorboard-sized porcelain tiles vary slightly within a box. That's not a flaw, it's intended to be that way to mimic shade variations found in real wood flooring. Marazzi USA's Rifle CD Legno collection is the one that contains all of their porcelain tiles that looks like wood. Shown here is a close-up of their ash tile to show the nice embossing of the tile. Of all the tiles that look like wood covered so far, this one from Marazzi USA's Rifle CD Legno collection looks the most like the material it is trying to imitate. Darker wood-look porcelain and ceramic tiles tend to simulate the original better. This matte finish tile plank from Vitromix comes in long 48 inches boards that are 8 inches wide, making it faster and easier to tile your floor as there is less tile setting involved. The line is called Alps, though the species is emulating is not clear. From Vitromix and coming in 36 inches long by 6 inches wide planks, this is a porcelain tile that mimics the look of reclaimed wood flooring. Termed Madeira, this handsome series comes in 4 realistic colors, ranging from light meadow to a very dark sunset. Yes, you can simulate almost any species, stain, and texture of wood in tile planks. One of the more promising textures, hand-scraped. Since it's so popular in real wood form, why not in tile? One of the great benefits of buying plank tile that looks like wood is you can purchase uncommon woods for less than the cost of the real thing. The concept isn't applicable when you're looking at inexpensive domestic species like ash or maple. But a species like the quite hard wenge, and hard to find as a solid hardwood versus the thin veneer atop engineered flooring, is easier to obtain as tile. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.